So today we're assembling the IKEA Äpplaryd Sofa. So let's get started. So first we start with the backrest. So make sure you protect your flooring, especially in my case, I have a parquet flooring, which is a rental apartment, so I have to be very careful. So there's four screws you need to attach to the backrest. So that's the screw number 115302. So just make sure you put the shorter end of the screw. Then you now attach the seat of the sofa itself. So this part is a bit challenging, as you can see, because yeah. And then after you attached it, so now you can start with putting the gasket, if I may say, what do you call that? That's the 114252, or the washer. So in the packaging of the sofa, there's an included tool that will help you tighten the gasket for the screw that will hold the backrest together with the seating of the sofa itself. So you can use a power tool if you have something, but yeah, for myself, I don't have that. And then we move on to the um, what you call this, armrest. So this is a bit challenging, and as you can see, I have to get a hammer just to make sure it's properly aligned. So you have to make sure that it's really flushed. Then you will follow it on with the included screw, which is the 142752, including the washer 100854. So yeah, it's really challenging to keep the holes aligned with the actual seating frame and the actual armrest of the sofa. But once you get it started, it's quite an easy task. You just have to make sure that you are properly um, tightening it so that it will hold itself together. And then once you also have to do the other side, of course. So now I'm moving on to the base frame, which will hold the what do you call that? The legs together. So there's eight of them or six of them. So that's screw number 100842 and the washer 153715. There's an included tool, Allen key, in the packaging of the sofa itself. I tried to use my power drill to make my life easier, but as you can see, I failed because the my power drill is quite short, and there's a quite of um, barrier between the frame itself and where you actually screw it. So yeah, in this case, I had to resort to just using my hand. And then once the base frame is properly screwed, I moved on to the actual legs. So yeah, there's also a screw included in the legs. So that's screw number 151907, and then the legs, it's self-explanatory. You can use them. At this point, IKEA does not recommend this, so there should be two persons lifting the sofa because you might damage the legs. But as you can see, I'm only alone, so I have to do what I can do. And then yeah, you can now put the cushions for the backrest. It's just quite a straightforward process, so just make sure it's nice, nice and flushed. And then, of course, I added an extra pillow and, of course, the chop. And so here you go, the full Äpplaryd IKEA sofa. This is the three-seater version, the longer one. So, yeah, I did it around less than 45 minutes. So if I can do it alone, you can also do it. So if you like this kind of video, I'm still building my apartment, buying more stuff from IKEA. So let me know. It will also help if you like and subscribe this video for the algorithm. Till next time in my next IKEA furniture assembly here in Switzerland. Bye.